Hey, what's going on, direct mail marketing family? Jerry here, and today I want to make a quick proof video. Got a payment that came in the mail today from one of our lower level flyer programs. So go ahead and open it. This one is the Moving On Up flyer, $50 flyer, right here. And as you can see, there's the cash, $50. And I want to thank you, Miss Gates from Chicago. Thank you for joining our team. Appreciate your business. So I just want to let you know that this one is the lower level flyers that we have going on, and this is what it looks like. Moving On Up, $50 flyer. That's what she joined. So what I'm going to do is leave the links in the description box so you can click on them and join them. And the levels on the Moving Up flyers are $25, $50, $75 level, $100 level, and $125. So you get to join either one of those. But I just wanted to make this quick video, proof video, to show you that we are seeing results in our flyer program. So I want you to click on the links below and pick which one that suits you the best, and come on and get on board. We're having a lot of fun doing this. We've got a great marketing team. We've got a great monitor. She's trustworthy, honest. You can't get any better. So come on, click the links, pick which level you want to sign up at, and come on and get busy. Look, we all need money this day and time. These are hard times, and this is just another way to supplement your income. This really works, as you can see right now. So click the links below, sign up, and got some more good stuff, more good flyers coming for you in the future. So pay attention, give me a thumbs up, share my video, and like it, and I'll talk to you later. Here's the proof, $50. I don't know who can't use $50. I know I can. God bless. Take care. See you later. Bye-bye.